Hello, welcome back to Italian Food Boss. Today we are gonna cook a very simple dish. We don't need that much. It's not gonna take that long to cook it, and it's gonna be a very nice side dish, maybe to some meat or some chicken, or even as a fresh snack. So we're gonna need some zucchini, a bit of breadcrumbs, and some pecorino or parmesan cheese, oil, salt and pepper, and the job is done. We are gonna cut the zucchini and then put them in the oven for about 20 minutes, half an hour. The oven that I'm already preheating. Remember to preheat at 200 degrees Celsius, which is something else in Fahrenheit. I'm gonna show you. And we are ready to start, so come with me. I'm going to quickly show you how you want to cut your zucchini for this recipe. So you take your zucchini, you cut it in half, and then from this half you cut it in another half and in another half, and we want to create this sort of sticks. So now it's up to you. We can probably half it again, and this is really the slice that we want to have. So not too thick, not too small, and you can continue now for all the zucchinis that you want to prepare. See you in a bit. Now we have cut the zucchini in these types of slices, like this. In the meanwhile, we have also prepared the 50 grams of breadcrumbs and the cheese. We are gonna mix all in one. Then we have a tray that we covered in like a bit of a baking sheet. So now we are gonna do this kind. First of all, we mix a bit the breadcrumbs with the pecorino. I use pecorino, but you can use parmesan as well. It doesn't really matter. Then, if you want, here you can put also some black pepper and a bit of salt. Probably gonna add a bit of salt now. But then what I'm gonna do half of this zucchini like this, just breadcrumbs and parmesan, pecorino in this case, and then I'm gonna add a bit of paprika, which is gonna make things a bit spicier. So we mix, and now we just do this thing. We take the zucchini, we mix them in this mix of breadcrumbs and parmesan, and you can see that this powder sticks very well to the side of the zucchini, so you don't really need the egg, nothing else. So you do this, and then you put it in the tray. I'll see you in a bit. Now I'm gonna do the remaining zucchini with a bit of hot paprika. So I'm gonna add just a bit, but you can choose how you like it. That's what I add, and then I mix it a bit, and I do exactly the same thing I was doing before. We layered all the zucchini on the tray. Now we're gonna do two things. We're gonna add a bit of breadcrumbs on top, just a bit, and then we're gonna add just a bit of oil, not too much. That's it. And this is ready to go in the oven now for about 20 minutes, half an hour, until they are quite crunchy. I preheated the oven, so we put it in right now. 20 minutes in the cooking. Now what you want to do, you want to turn the grill side of your oven as well, and now we are going to taste it. It's a bit hot, so I don't really wanna take it with my hands, but I can't resist. The crunchiness. So this is a very easy recipe. You can use it as a snack, a vegetable snack, instead of chips. And I can tell you, it's really tasty. I'm gonna eat, oh look at this, look at that. Look at the cheese. I'm gonna eat so many of these, guys. That's how it's done in Italy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure that you hit the bell once you subscribe so you receive all the notifications for the new videos. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, and keep cooking. That's what I can say. Bye bye.